Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Fitri Handayani. I from group 3. I want to discuss about the vowels. For the first definition of vowels. Vowel is syllabic speech sounds pronounced without any structure in the vocal tract. Vowels are one of the two pontifical classes of speech sounds, the other being the consonant. Vowels vary in quality, in loudness, and also in quantity. They are usually voiced and are closely involved in prosodic variants such as tone, intonation, and stress. The word vowels comes from the Latin word vocalis, meaning vocal, relating to the voice. In English, the word vowels is commonly used to refer both to vowel sounds and to the written symbols that represent them. And next, articulation of vowels. Number 1 is vowels. Haig is named for the vertical position of the tongue relative to either the roof of the mouth or the aperture of the jaw. Number 2 is vowel beakness is named for the position of the tongue during the articulation of a vowel relative to the back of the mouth. And number 3 is roundness is named after the rounding of the lips in some vowels. Because lip rounding is easily visible, vowels may be commonly identified as rounded based on the articulation of the lip. Thank you for the watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Dina Nurrahma from 4 Club, and in this moment I will explain you about monophthong. What is monophthong? For the first definition, the definition of monophthong is from monos, the mean is single, and phthong, the mean is sound. It's a pure vowel sound, one whose articulation at both beginning and end is relatively fixed, and which does not glide up or down toward a new position of articulation. The monophthong can be contrasted with diphthong, where the vowel quality changes within the same syllables, and hiatus, where two vowels are next to each other in different syllables. A vowel sound whose quality does not change over the duration of the vowel is called a pure vowel. That is the definition, and next I will tell you about the example, and then you can really understand about monophthong. A single vowel such as O or E. Maybe an example in a word oil. For the first word oil is O. The sound is O. Okay. And the next example, hope. The spell is H-O-P, but the sound is hope. Hope. If there is not O, like, and there is no sound, isn't it? And for the next example from E, like deep. Deep. The spell is D-E-E-P. But the sound is deep. Okay, for the next example from E is eat. The spell is E-A-T. But we read and the sound is eat. If there is no E, and then will be, and there is no E sound, and then we can read it, the sound like that. Maybe I think enough here. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Deviana Rasya Jamil, and here I will discuss about diphthongs and triphthongs. For the first, I will discuss about definition of diphthong. A diphthong, literally double sound or double tone, also known as a gliding vowel, is a combination of two adjacent vowel sounds within the same syllable. Technically, a diphthong is a vowel with two different targets, that is, the tongue and/or other parts of the speech apparatus, moves during the pronunciation of the vowels. In more varieties of English, the phrase "no highways combos" has 5 distinct diphthongs, one in every syllable. And now is example of diphthong. For the first is I. This diphthong creates sound similar to A and most often occurs with letter combination that include I, E, and examples is crime, like, and lime. For the second is A. This diphthong creates sound similar to great and is most often used with letter combination that include A, I, and A. Example is break, right, and wake. The third is ow. This diphthong creates sound similar to both and most often occurs with letter combination that include O, Oa, and O. Example is slow, moan, and tough. For the fourth is this diphthong creates sound similar to O and most often occurs with letter combination that include O and O. Example is brown, hound, and now. The last is A. This diphthong creates sound similar to air and most often occurs with letters combination that include I, A, and A. Example is stain and beer. The next, I will explain about definition of the triphthong. In phonetics, a triphthong, literally with 3 sounds or with 3 tones, is a monosyllabic vowels combination involving a quick but smooth movement of the articulator from one vowel quality to another that passes over a third, while pure vowels or monophthongs are said to have one target articulation position. Diphthongs have 2 and triphthongs 3. And this is example of triphthong. For the first example is liar, A-E-N-A, and fire, lawyer, lower, and hour. So that is that I will discuss about diphthongs and triphthongs, and thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.